Hello everyone. I'm trying to video what I think looks like a bird of prey. It looks like a bird of prey. If you can identify it, just put a comment below telling me what you think it is. I can't zoom any further, but I'm trying to hold this steady and hopefully you can identify. It's a long way off. Anyway, it could be just a pigeon. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my zoom and wanted to just show this lovely area. You could actually hear the birds. I don't know if it's the mic's picking them up. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Bye for now.